pleased to show you 2004 Dakota. The Dodge Dakota combines form, function, and fun. With its rugged style, well-rounded capability, and seating for 6, the Dakota brings you the ultimate mid-size pickup and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, center armrest, tachometer, AM/FM stereo with cassette, includes 4-speaker radio prep package, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, cassette. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.